Look at how beautiful that is. Got your cake, got your cinnamon swirl, got your frosting. Ah! That's good. I have a sweet tooth. It's very hard for me to go a day without my snacks, okay? And I'm trying to cut down on sugar. I'm following the keto diet, but this works for anyone who's trying to cut out sugar or cut down on your carb intake or just dieting in general, or just even eating in general and finding healthier substitutes for processed foods and sugars and things like that. So I've had to be pretty creative in figuring out how to kind of curb those cravings and just kind of satisfy the beast within. So what I've done is I've found a recipe on Pinterest. I have been using this constantly. This is one of my like go-to nighttime snacks when I'm just having a sugar craving and I don't want to cheat on my diet. So I did find this recipe on Pinterest, but I do add stuff to it to make it feel more like a legitimate cinnamon roll. You all know how much I love my cinnamon rolls. So this is a great alternative to the real thing, and it keeps me satisfied and happy, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So here I have all the ingredients I need to make this. As you guys can see, all really healthy stuff. So here we have MCT oil, which is coconut oil, we have ground flax seed, we have baking powder, we have Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. This is the golden sweetener. I just got this in, so typically I would have used erythritol in this recipe, but because I just got this, I want to try it out, so I just wanted to let you guys know that this is what I usually use in the recipe, but today we are trying it with the other sweetener. I have some coconut flour here, some pure vanilla extract, and some ground cinnamon. And then we also have some Philadelphia cream cheese for the topping. This recipe also calls for an egg, which I haven't pulled out yet, but I'm about to. So what I'm going to do is basically throw all of the ingredients into my mug, mix it up, and then pop it into the microwave. And then I'll show you guys how I make the little like cream cheese frosting topping.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan.
Look what it looks like after you mix it up. Now I'm going to mix up the cinnamon sugar swirl and add that in before we pop this in the microwave.
I finesse on with the road, yeah, finesse. Might go down to G-O-D, yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait. I make sure that no side E is still.
And then I'm going to stir it just a couple of times, not anything major, because I want to keep that cinnamon swirl in there. So I don't want to like completely mix that sugar in. I just want to kind of swirl it like this. And then I'm going to press down the top, just kind of flatten it out a little bit. And then it's going to be ready to go in the microwave. So another great thing about this having so much cinnamon in it, I'm sure you guys were like, that's a lot of cinnamon. The great thing about that is, one, it tastes delicious, and two, cinnamon does a great job at reducing your blood sugar and keeping your insulin levels lower and reducing your glycemic index. So we're getting all kinds of bonuses out of this dessert today. So while that's microwaving, let's go ahead and create the topping. So I'm just going to reuse this same little bowl that I used originally. I'm going to take my cream cheese here, and I think I only need one. Yeah, this is about 2 ounces of cream cheese. I only need one, so I'm gonna cut that in half, basically. Cut that in half. Pop that into my little bowl. And then I'm also going to add some vanilla. This vanilla is always ridiculously hard to open. I don't know why. Ugh. Let's do half a teaspoon of vanilla. I can never remember what I put in there. Just to kind of eyeball it, but half a teaspoon, add that. And I was thinking about adding sweetener to it, but I don't know if the cake is already going to be sweet enough. So this is what my mug cake looks like now that it's all cooked. Woo, I'm getting excited, guys. All right, so this was in there for about, not even 10 seconds. So I'm just mixing it up. So it has the leftover cinnamon in there as well, which just kind of adds to the frosting. And yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that and just add it right on top of my mug. So we've got our mug cake, and then I'm gonna add my cream cheese frosting. I like to sing about my food because I'm very excited and enthusiastic about eating. And then spread it out a little. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It smells so good, guys. And here it is. So I'll like take a little bite to show you guys what it looks like. Here's the first bite. Oh, so good. But it's really hot right now, so I'm not gonna eat it yet. I do want to clarify really quickly that this is not a low-calorie snack. This is actually pretty high in calories. This is about, let me see here, sorry. This is about 528 calories for the whole mug cake. If you want, you can cut it in half and use it as 2 servings, but for me, this is just, I keep out that many calories if I know that I really want that kind of snack for the day, so obviously you can't have it every single day, but this will help you stay on track for the days when you really feel like you need something sweet. And I always find it very satisfying. It keeps you full for a very long time because of all of the coconut oil that you add to it. There's 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in there, so that right there is already 28 grams of fat. It would be less if you didn't add the cream cheese topping on it, so if you leave the cream cheese out of it, then it's only 428 calories, but just so you guys know, in general on keto, you're eating more calories than you would be in a deficit on a regular carb diet, so you can have extra calories anyway for the most part, and you can usually figure out how to fit it in. So funny, I don't typically, this is my breakfast right now, and even though cinnamon rolls are technically a breakfast food or known as a breakfast food, I usually have this at night after dinner because after dinner is the time when I decide that I need something sweet and I can't live without it. So, but we're doing it a little bit differently today so I can get the video up for you guys by tonight. And I hope that you guys enjoy this, and I hope that it helps you out in your low carb, keto, dieting, cutting out sugar adventures. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you guys stick around for more videos in the future because I absolutely love finding out creative ways to be a little bit more healthy and be more conscious of my overall health and longevity in life in general. So I will always share any tips and tricks and things that I discover along the way with you guys. And yeah, let's just all be a little bit more healthy together. And I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye!